Hello my dear students, today we are discuss about our chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. In this chapter today we are discuss a reflection phenomena of a light. Reflection phenomena of light. Now in this phenomena we are all know the property of a light. A light tends to travel in a straight manner, but in any certain cases light beam are struck on a brighter or a shiny surface or a polished surface, it will bounce back, and this phenomena is known as a reflection phenomena of a light. Let us write about reflection phenomena. When a light strike on a shiny or polished surface, it will bounce back, it will bounce back. This phenomena is known as a reflection phenomena of light. Let's we are understand by figure. Now this is your surface. This surface is not polished or shiny. Let us polish by this side. So we are going to polish this side. Now this surface is a polished surface. Polished or shiny surface. Whenever a light, this is a light ray. Light ray strike on it. Light strike on a polished or shiny surface. It will bounce back, and this phenomena is known as a reflection of light. So this is the reflection phenomena of light. Let us highlight some main point of this light of a reflection phenomena. A light strike on a shiny or a polished surface, it will bounce back. This is reflection. So you are also well known with the reflection of light. Now we are discussed about some laws of a reflection. Before we are discussed about law of a reflection, we are discuss about some important keywords which can help to understand law of reflection. Now the first word is incident ray. We are denoted as IR. So what is incident ray? Incident ray is the ray which are going to strike on a polished surface. Now what is incident ray? Let us define as a ray which going to strike on a polished or shiny surface. Let us understand with a well-known example or a figure. So this is our mirror or a shiny surface or a polished surface. So now a light ray are going to strike. This is our first light ray. They are going to strike on a surface. This is our second light ray that are going to strike on a polished surface. These two light rays are going to strike on a polished or a shiny surface. So these two rays are known as a incident ray. Now we are going to discuss our second type of a ray. It's a normal ray. Now it is denoted as a short form of NR. The definition of a normal ray, a ray which get back as the same path of incident ray. Let's understand this definition. A ray which get back as the same path of an incident ray. Here you notice that this ray are get strike on a shiny surface and it will get back as the same path which incident ray. Here, these ray are strike on any point of a polished surface and get reflect with some angle. Here, we also denote that a normal ray, which can write as an NR, and polished surface or a shiny surface, which make 90-degree angle. Here you notice that this is our normal ray, which make a 90-degree angle with our polished surface. Polished or a shiny surface. This is our incident ray. Now, third type of ray is reflected ray. In short form, we are denoted as a RR. Let us define as a ray which get back after striking on a polished or a shiny surface. It is known as a incident ray. A ray which get back after strike on a polished or a shiny surface. This is known as a incident reflection ray. Here you notice that a ray which are going to strike, this ray is an incident ray, but after incidentation of a light ray, it will get bounced back with some angle of a generated some angle with a normal ray, and this is known as a reflected ray. So this is three type of rays. Now we are going to understand two type of angle which are generated by incident ray and reflected ray. Before we are discuss about angle, we are understand firstly this figure. Here a normal ray, incident ray get back as the same path, so this is normal ray, this is incident ray, and this is our reflected ray. Now first number we are discuss about angle of incident. It is denoted by small I. Let us define firstly incident ray, the angle between incident ray and normal ray. This is known as an angle of incident. Here you notice that incident ray and normal ray, they are making some angle, and this is known as the incident angle of incident. So basically these angle are known as a angle of incident. Now we are going to discuss about our second type of angle, and it is angle of reflection. And it is denoted by small r. So the angle between reflected ray and normal ray, it is known as a angle of reflection. You can easily observe that this is the angle of reflection small r. Here you can notice that, you can see and observe that this is the angle of reflection. So before we are understand about law of reflection, we are going to discuss some basic keywords of law of reflection. Now we are discuss about law of reflection, and this figure is also helpful in understand law of reflection. Now we are discuss about law of reflection. First law of reflection. First law of reflection says that incident ray normal ray and reflected ray all lie on a one same plane. Here you can observe that incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray, those rays are lie on only a same plane. If we are moving this is our incident ray, this is our normal ray, and this is our reflected ray. If we are going to turn like this, so they are in a same plane or a same side. If we are turned like this, they are on a same side or a same plane. If we are moving like this, they are as in a same plane. If I am moving towards to you, they are in a same side. So incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all lie on a one same plane. Now the second one, angle of incident ray is equal to the angle of a reflection. Angle of a incident ray is equal to the angle of a reflection. So we can write it as an angle of a incident ray. It is equal to angle of a reflected ray. Here you can notice that this is our angle of reflection and this is our angle of incident. If any ray that strike as a 30-degree angle with a normal ray, so it will get bounced back as a reflected ray with making a 30-degree reflected ray. So the angle of a reflection and angle of a incident both are same. So this is a law of reflection. For more updates, keep subscribe this channel and share and like this video. If you feel some difficulty in any topic of standard 10 science, please comment on comment box, so we will try to make on a video on your difficult point or difficult topic. So we are going to meet in our next video lecture with some new amazing topics of our chapter number 10. Thank you.